Hello everyone, I'm Pratyusha from Team 20. Our project is about the Museum Explorer. My teammates are Shweta Ganapati, Rishta Malampati, Ram Nagesh Oruganti, and Vijay Chetan Papisetti. Museum Explorer is like a treasure trove of art knowledge. We have gathered data from three different museums: the National Gallery of Art in Washington, D.C., the Museum of Modern Art Collection in New York City, and the Tate Collection, which is located in London. Our app makes it super easy for you to explore these museums. You can quickly find information about the artworks and learn about the artists behind them. This is our high-level design. We have created one single Museum Explorer ontology and then pre-processed the data and then given that data to the web server, which we have hosted that in Stardog server. Here the queries are executed and the output which is fetched from those queries is displayed in the front-end UI. And as I have mentioned earlier, we have created one single ontology which is called as Museum Explorer. Here we have created two top level ontologies, the person and the object, under which we have created two other classes which is artist and artwork. We have two more classes which are birthplace and dimensions. Each of these classes have some data properties and object properties. For example, the artist class has uh, artist ID, has display name, has birthplace, has gender, has year of death, and year of death as the data properties. We can use these properties to get the information about that particular artist. For artwork class, we have properties such as has artist ID, has date acquired, has dimension, has width value, has height value, has title, has accession number, and many other properties. So we can use these properties to get the information about either artist or artwork. Uh, we have stored this OWL file and the data set in Stardock Cloud. Think of it like a big organized cloud space. It helps us keep everything in order and lets us easily find what we need. We have also generated semantic knowledge graphs. Then we uploaded our dataset file to Stardock and make sure that all the information in our datasets matched up with the categories we set in our ontology. We wrote queries to fetch data and check if the SPARQL queries are working as expected or not. The implementation of the code and the demo will be continued by my teammate Shweta.
Hi all, I'm Shweta. I'll be demonstrating the implementation part of our project. Firstly, let's start with data preprocessing. Here we have used pandas libraries in Python code to clean our data. We took all our data sets from various locations and merged them to form a single data set with a wider data. We have handled the unavailable data, that is the empty cells in our data set, and we have also removed some unnecessary special characters, and we have formatted few dates related columns as they were irregular for our data set. Finally, we get a clean and merged data set after doing all the data preprocessing steps. As we have already mentioned, we have taken Stardock endpoints and the credentials from the Stardock, that is the username and the password created for this endpoint, and the name of the database that we have created in Stardock application. Then we use these information in our application code, that is the React.js code that we have written to develop our application. So here you can see these are the few SPARQL queries that we have used in our React.js code to fetch the data from the database. Let's see from query 1. So this is query 1, which is the artist query, where we'll have a query which will fetch all the artist names from the database. Then you can see query 2, which is the artwork query. Here, the query will fetch all the artwork names which are related to the given artist name. So you can see the artist name is given, the one which is highlighted. From there, the artwork names will be fetched, and then query 3. So in query 3, we'll be giving the artwork name as well as the artist name, and we'll ask the query to fetch all the details about the specified artwork. So these are the queries, as I have mentioned. These are the SparkQL queries. And now we can see the GitHub link. So this is the GitHub link. So this is our Team 20 project where we have uploaded all the codes and related files which are related to our project. And then the application demo. So let's see the application. The application is running in about localhost 3001. So here we have home page, an explore page, and about us page. So in the home page, it's a welcome page, and in explore page, you'll have two drop down box where you can select artist and artwork name, and then if you click on submit, you'll get the results accordingly. So firstly, if you click on artist name drop down box, all the artist names will be listed. This is the query one that we have seen earlier. So from this artist name, you can select any of the artist name, and then query 2 will load when in artwork name drop down box. So query 2 is to fetch all the artwork names which are related to this particular artist. So these are the artwork names related to this particular artist. So now you can click on any of these artwork, and then if you click on submit, you'll be getting all the detailed information about this artwork. So the date acquired, the gender of the artist, and the artwork related details and artist related details as well. And you can change the artist name. For example, if you change the artist name to Autosnal, and then if you see, you'll have only two artwork which is created by this artist. Now if you click on this particular artwork, then click on submit. Now the data will be changed related to this artwork and this artist. You can see the artist name here, which we have mentioned here, and the artwork name as well. So all the other details as well. So this is our application. We also have an about us page where we can get all my team members' names and details. Now it's roles and responsibilities. So in my team, Pratyusha has designed the React JS code for the UI development. And then all of our teammates, they have made several roles in collecting information and doing the data pre-processing steps, like merging data sets and filling unavailable data and removing unnecessary special characters, something like that. And then myself, I have created queries for retrieving the data from the Stardock cloud, which is related to particular artist or a specific artwork. And then Ram and Rishita, they have played several roles in establishing the SparkQL endpoint using the Stardock. And they have used these endpoints in the front-end code developed, which is incorporated in the code to fetch the data directly from the code. And then Vijay, my teammate, he has took lead in designing an unified ontology by merging the artist and artwork ontology. So initially we had two different ontology, artist and artwork. Finally, we had decided to combine both, and we have unified it into a single ontology. We have developed this ontology in a tool called Protege, and then these are the roles and responsibilities of my teammates. And yeah, thank you.